now we'll be starting today's webinar. Today's webinar topic: Advanced Index Option Strategy plus Risk Management and AI in Trading. And speaker of today's webinar, Mr. Hemant. Hemant, now you can start the webinar.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Hemant. Welcome to today's exclusive webinar by Spider Software. Before we dive in, how many of you noticed that the index was moving in tight ranges and it trapping both buyers and sellers, right? Typical signs of algorithmic influence and low volatility setups. So we have seen a massive shift recently. So the algorithms are identifying volatility zones faster than humans can blink. So whether it's a sideways market trapping buyers and sellers or a sudden trend breakout. So for that, we need an AI-backed data analytics, which can detect these patterns before your screen even reacts. So through this session, you will learn how professional traders are combining data, discipline, and automation to turn uncertain trades into calculated setups. So please, everyone, stay till the end because we will not only show how these strategies work on charts, but also how our Spider platform integrates AI-based signals to refine your entries, exits, and position sizing. All right, so without wasting time, let's get started with the market's pulse first and then jump into how these advanced strategies actually perform in real time. So the strategy used by me is I'm using the super trend and VWAP strategy. So I'll give you a brief about the super trend and the VWAP. So here you can see the two screens. So left side screen is on the super trend and right side screen is on the VWAP. So let me give you a brief about the VWAP. So VWAP stands for volume weighted average price. So it usually represents the average price of a stock throughout the day weighted by the volume. So usually price above VWAP, it indicates the bullish momentum. So price below VWAP, it indicates the bearish momentum. So by combining VWAP with other indicators, so we can confirm the entry near VWAP is strong or weak. So while coming to the super trend, so super trend is a trend following indicator. So it will works on the average true range. So it allows whether the price in uptrend or the downtrend. So if the price closes above the super trend line like this, so then it's a buy signal. So if the price closes below the super trend line, then it's a sell signal like this. So by combining these two, super trend buy plus price above VWAP, it's a strong bullish confirmation like this. Like this. So super trend sell plus price below VWAP will give you the strong bearish confirmation. And now, as you can see, so from this buy signal, so there's a strong uptrend. Up to here. So it's a strong uptrend. So to confirm this, we will look for the VWAP chart. So in the VWAP chart also we got a strong buy signal. So by combining these two, we will take an entry here. This is all about the manual trend, right? So we are taking entries and we are taking exits. So for us, AI chooses right signals for it avoid multiple entry and exit signals. So it gives emotionless trading. Usually the greed fear factor we all have. So in this AI automated signals, we don't have anything related to the greed or fear. So it's there on the control, everything on the entire signals, and the money is managed nicely and without risk. And now I'll show how the AI take the signals from the charts and how it will automate the entry and exits. So for example, here we got a signal. Yeah. So this is the technical query. So in this technical query, so we need to make a query. Yeah. So here, initially I took the Nifty, only Nifty, as you can see here. So in the Nifty, I'll get the signals. So based on that, I gave some filters. So in the money and the percentages of the underlying rates. So this is so what is the current price is the underlying rate price. So according to that, I gave the percentages. So within these parameters, I'll get the signals. So now I got signals from these parameters to here. So in this signal tracker, it is an algo. So we have the risk management system here. Here we have the target and the stop loss. So the first target is 10% and the second target is 20% from the underlying price. And the stop loss is 12%. And I gave entry signals from 9:20 to 2:30. So after 2:30 p.m., my AI is not going to take any entry signal. So everything will exit at 3:10. So the number of lots I gave is 2. So if you want to change also, you can change the number of lots. So segment also I choose. So in the Nifty, I choose for the option buy. So in this way, I choose my risk management system. And then coming to the signal and info. So in this signal and info, you will get the signals based on our strategies. So yeah, you can see so rejected. So these are all the signals coming from the technical query a algo. So in the positions, you can see it already took some positions. So for example, I'll open any one chart. I'll open this chart. So at 9:40, so it depends on it depends on this buy signal, and then it continues the rally. So it took an entry at 9:40 for the two lots. That's 179 rupees. So after that, it got one target hit at 197 rupees, and it held 197 rupees automatically, and one at 215 rupees automatically. So it generated 4,000 rupees profit. In the same way, in this call also, we got an entry at 10.6 for the buy signal here, and then a target got hit at 254, and the second one got hit at 239. So it generated 2,300 profit. So it's not about only the profits, we can see loss as well. So in the next one, we are seeing again minus 2,000, it's a loss. So for example, so it got a buy signal at 10:40 for 181 rupees. So after that, market went sideways. So and stop loss got hit and it sold at 167 rupees. So we got to minus 2,000 profit. So it's this AI will take the automation signal. So it's not about the greed factor. So it's completely based on the query and the AI automation, what we integrated in this algo. VWAP, Supertrend, and the algo trading. So by combining these three, so we can become a professional trader. So we can use easy to identify the high probability setups and manage risks efficiently. So as I said, VWAP shows the average traded price. So when the price moves above VWAP, it indicates the bullish, and in the super trend, if the price is above the close high, then it gives the buy signal. So the overall combining VWAP and super trend signals with our AI-based algo systems gives you a complete trading edge from accurate entry to exit to efficient risk management. And now, I hope you all got clear idea how this algo works, how this AI works, and how to manage your risks. So I just want to talk about Spider Software a bit. So the Spider Software, the brand behind everything you saw today. So at Spider, we believe trading success isn't about luck. So it's about the clarity, consistency, and confidence, right? So that's why every feature in our software, like technical query or the algo I showed you, So the every feature in the Spider software designed to help traders make smarter, faster, and more data-driven decisions. So we have been serving the trading community for over past 2 decades, and our biggest strength has always been our clients' trust. So our clients are NSE, BSE, Kotak, and ICICI, as you can see. So we make sure every trader get a personal support, continuous updates on the insights from the market experts who understand real trading challenges. So our goal is simple, to bridge the gap between the technology and the trader psychology. So to give you the same analytical power. So if you are focusing on the intraday moves, option strategies, or the long-term setups, Spider software stands by you as the strong analytical partner, helping you trade with the discipline and the confidence. So that is about the company. Now coming back to the algo, I want to show you the one more signal. Just now at 11:36, we got one signal. Yeah. So at 164 rupees, we got a buy signal. So it sold one lot at 180 rupees. Now its price it's moving on 183 rupees. So if again it got hit then it will sell automatically and profits will be booked. So as of now, from morning, Algo have been booked 3,350 profit and running profit is 1,400. So in this algo, we have the options to exit if the day profit crosses 50,000. So for example, if I give it for 10,000, so it will exit after if we get the 10,000 profit. Same for the loss also. So for example, if I got 7,000 loss in a day, then it will exit automatically from the all stocks. So in this way, we can manage our risks easily. Coming back to this. So it's the current running position, as you can see. So as you can see, it's the open position is one. So it's the current running position. So already one target have been hit and it's waiting for the second hot target. So if it hit, it will exit automatically. So target two is kept at, you can see here at 20%. So if that second target hit, then it will. So as you can see, the 20% price is 197 rupees. So now it's going on 183 rupees. So if it hit 197 rupees, then it will exit automatically. And our first target is 180 rupees. So that is 10%. So 180 it already got hit. Then so it exited. So in this way, without risk, you can execute the stocks, entries and exits, and you can make the profits. And we have more features in Spider. So this is tick query, as you can see. So tick query is like exactly a alert system. So the stocks names here we are getting. So it's based on the how the stock is performing. So for example, here we got PGL1 at 581 rupees. As I open this, so just now it got an buy signal. So another one I open sizing. So here I got a sell signal. So in this way we can get alerts in the tick query. You can see, right? So the red indicates the complete downtrend or the sell signals. The green indicates the uptrend or the buy signals. Price action breakout, we call it as a tick query simply. So now let's discuss about this 4,000 profit. So I'm going to open this. So as I said earlier, at 940, the price is at 179 rupees and I got a sell signal. So the first target was 197 rupees. So 197 rupees got hit. and it sold at 945 within 5 minutes, which is 10%. As you can see, it's the 10%. And the second target is 215 rupees, which is 20% of the underlying price. So, and second target got hit at 955 at 215 rupees, and it sold the second target. So we got 4,000 rupees profit. So in this way, Algo will take calls from the technical query and it will do the automatic trading. So this is the group wise report. So in this group wise report, you can see there are different indices from Nifty 50 Bank Nifty to Nifty all indices and Nifty Pharma, Nifty IT. So all indices have been divided. So you can see the close-up percentage here. So this close-up percentage will tell you how much the indices is supporting the Nifty. So I'm going to give it in the ascending order. So the first one is the Nifty India Tourism. So if I open this Nifty India Tourism, so we can see the companies whichever are there in the Nifty Tourism. So whatever the stock which is in the complete green is supporting the Nifty. So for example, I'll show you. So whichever is in the red in color, like is my trip, is not supporting the Nifty. So in this way, you can see how many stocks are supporting Nifty, are going according to the Nifty, or not going according to the Nifty. Again, coming to the groups, this is a Nifty India Tourism. And second one is the Nifty Media, which gives us the close-up percentage of 50. And if I go down, then the least performing is Nifty FMCG. If I open FMCG,
Hemant, people are saying that you should zoom in the screen, the chart part. Yeah. So they can get in better idea.
yeah,
Okay.
got it. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah. So groups, coming to the groups, the least one is Nifty FMCG. So if I open FMCG stocks, so there everything is in the red in color. So it's not supporting Nifty at all. So if Nifty is going in uptrend, then it's going in the uptrend. If Nifty is going in downtrend, then it's going in the uptrend. So it's not supporting the Nifty. So for example, UBL is in complete red in color. If I open UBL, then you can see it's not supporting the Nifty. So like this way, you can analyze the what indices have been performing good. Mm, So not only super trend and the VWAP, we have the multiple indicators. So these and all the inbuilt indicators what we have from average to the PSER and Ichimoku, the whatever you name the indicators, we have indicators inbuilt in the software. So you can use that to indicators. So by combining indicators, we can make the strategies. So by based on the strategies, you will get real-time buy-in signals, and Algo will do the rest of the things. So I hope you got clear idea about the how Algo and the technical query will take crucial role in the AI trading. So before we wrap up the today's session, so I want to leave you with the one key thought. So in trading nowadays, knowledge gives confidence, but data always gives us the conviction, correct? So you can have the best strategies out there, but without proper analysis, timing and the risk control, they are just guesses, right? So that's exactly what we aim to change with the Spider software. So we all here to help you trade with the conviction, but not with the confusion. Okay. So the market will always move in the way that surprises, but with the right tools, you can stay prepared for every move, and you can't react after that. So and that's the difference between a retail trader and a professional trader, which is the ability to act based on the data, not emotion. So yeah, keep learning, keep analyzing, and most importantly, keep evolving with the technology. On behalf of the entire Spider software team, thank you all. Thank you for joining the session. I hope you gained new insights into the advanced risk index strategies, risk management, and how AI is transforming trading. So we will back with the more sessions soon. Until then, trade smart, manage your risk, let the data be your edge. Thank you, everyone. So if you want more details about my setup, so you can contact to my number, which is the first one, or you can contact to my team as well. So we will give you the personalized call and we will discuss more about the strategies and the setups. Thank you.